Let's take a look at how we can convert 20 ounces to grams. So 1 ounce, that equals 28.35 grams. That's a conversion factor. We need that when we go from ounces to grams or grams to ounces. So we have 20 ounces. Ounces to grams, we multiply by 28.35, like this here. And remember, that's 28.35 grams per ounce. Grams per ounce. Those are the units. This is the conversion factor. Now when we multiply, we have ounces on top and the bottom. They cancel out. We're left with grams. So it's 20 times 28.35, and that equals 567. And the units, those are the grams. If you wanted to go from grams to ounces, you could just divide by 28.35 as well. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.